starts. Now to end it, you just press the button again.
Scotty! I told him you're probably looking at me. Oh! Your boyfriend was like... Did he really?
Check, she can... Wait! Yeah.
Hey little boy, what's your name?
Yeah. I ain't getting it.
Aren't you a little bit big for that swing?
No.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Why don't you come here?
Leave me alone if I don't somebody touch my pecker. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get rape. Rape. Get away from me. Get away from me. Rape. Get away from me. I can see your underwear. Get away from me. Rape. Rape.